to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the accent color on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap on the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. Select General. At the top of the General settings, you can see Accent Color. Tap the color that you would like to be your accent color to select it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.